Let's practice blending sound. What is blending? Blending is putting sounds together to make a word. For example, if you have the sound m, at, blending them together makes the word mat. How to blend sound? Number 1. Listen to each sound. 2. Put the sounds together. Repeat the sound closely together so they start to blend. Number 3. Find the word. Blend these sounds. Let's do this. M, at, mat. M, at, map. Nip, nip. Po, ping. Po, ping. Ping. Ting. Ting. Hope this was helpful and I hope you enjoyed this day on how to blend words. Bye.